In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create an animation of a mesh constantly looking at the camera while following a path. This is a lesson of matching two objects' directions, in order to create the effect correctly. Please set the last frame to 100, to create a smoothly looping animation. Let's create Suzanne the monkey mesh. Let's add a curve point. If you don't see the curve point, please activate an Extra Objects add-on. This is optional, but I'll press the 3D button. Let's select Suzanne, and add a follow path constraint to the curve. There it is. Please remember to press the Animate Path button. We can easily add another constraint to constantly look at the camera while following the curve, but there would be an odd issue. The mesh is facing the wrong direction. This is happening because the Suzanne mesh is not facing the same angle as the camera. Let's reset the camera's location and rotation to see what happens. It's now looking at the same direction, because they have matching location and rotation values. If I change the rotation value of the camera, Suzanne is not going to look at the camera, because we have to manually correct Suzanne's rotation values like this. Let's disable the preview for both constraints, and rotate the Suzanne mesh instead. Ctrl+A to either reset rotation or reset all transform. Looks like the camera's default rotation value is different from the mesh's default rotation values. Let's rotate Suzanne once again. Finally, the mesh is correctly looking at the camera. Let's set the end frame to 100, to match the animation frame numbers. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.